5 simple steps to MC an event like a professional. 1. Know your event. Knowing your event is important for all types of ceremonies, whether it's a wedding, graduation, birthday, child dedication, etc. The type of event will dictate the type of atmosphere you, the MC, need to create. Knowing what's going on, what should be talked about, and what is coming next is key to being a successful MC. Consider meeting with the people organizing the event and going over the plan structure and reviewing all the events in detail. This will help you a lot in preparing your event flow. 2. Know your responsibilities. The MC is responsible for creating and sustaining the intended atmosphere throughout the event. The intended atmosphere may vary depending on the type of event. Although most events that hire an MC are looking to create a fun and energetic atmosphere. As MC, your main responsibility includes 1. Keeping the event flowing and bridging between segments of the event. 2. Keeping the interest of the audience and making sure they are having fun. 3. Helping the audience feel respected and engaging with them during the event. 4. Helping the speakers feel valued. 5. Keeping the event on time. 6. Keeping everyone updated on what is happening at the event. 3. Know your role expectations. Being an MC means that you have a great sense of humor. You can work a crowd and you are a practiced public speaker. This means that you have to be prepared to improvise so you can react efficiently to whatever that may arise. For example, you may have to momentarily entertain the audience while waiting for the next speaker to get out of the bathroom or for the bride to go change her outfit. Remember to smile. Smiling reinforces the fun and light-heartedly ambience of the event and makes you appear to be an enthusiastic MC. Keep in mind that just because you are the MC, you are not the celebrity of the show. You are supposed to make your clients and their guests feel like they are the stars of the show. 4. Do your research. Contact your key speakers to find out some background information on them and use that information to prepare your introductions for the speakers. This background research will help you construct introductions that sound more personal and genuine. Find out if there are any special audience members who should be recognized during the event. Make sure you review everyone's name and title so you know how to say it on stage when the time comes to make their announcement. And the last one, number 5, stay organized. Create or review a given agenda for the event and plan out, minute by minute, the event schedule. Take into consideration the time it takes to get on and off the stage. Make introductions for guests and speeches or thank yous from guest members. Consider making a rough script of what you are going to say throughout the event. This script is something that you can memorize. It may be helpful to tell the lead organizer of the event that as MC, you are only going to answer to one person in charge. If any changes need to be made to the program, the only way you are going to allow that to happen is if the one person in charge approves the changes. This will reduce mix-ups and miscommunications during the event and help the event run smoother. My name is Dike Megoro and I hope that this video was helpful to you as an upcoming MC or as a professional MC. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, drop a comment and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos like this one.